Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning, and I'm on my way to Basel 2 days in a row. So nowadays it has been a lot of networking in this new place, and some days I can just stay at home, going nowhere. Some days, like yesterday and today, I'm traveling. Yeah, so today I will have a lunch meeting with other project managers here in Switzerland, especially in Basel area. So it will be very interesting to meet people in the similar interests, but working in different areas, different industries. It's very busy and noisy in this main street. This is main street of Frick. So the church bell rings and the traffic, and a lot of people are outside. So with that, I wish you a great day. Bye.